This morning, income tax raids across 5 states against one of India's biggest newspaper groups, the Dainik Bhaskar. The group has said that they are being targeted for their journalism and they stand strong and they will remain independent. The I&B minister said the raids have to do with the agencies. It has nothing to do with the government. But of course, there has been outrage. As the opposition has said, Dainik Bhaskar is being targeted because of the reporting it did during the pandemic and the fact that it's covered the Pegasus spyware controversy.
गंगा में लाशों से लेकर कोरोना से मौतों के सही आंकड़े देश के सामने रखने वाले भास्कर ग्रुप पर सरकार की दबिश देखिए। भास्कर समूह के कई दफ्तरों पर गुरुवार तड़के इनकम टैक्स विभाग ने छापा मारा है। विभाग की टीमें दिल्ली, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात और राजस्थान स्थित दफ्तरों पर पहुंची है और
ऑफिशियल्स ऑफ द इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट at the residence of the promoters of the Dainik Bhaskar group, which publishes one of India's largest selling Hindi dailies.
The raids that started on 7 AM covered over 30 locations in 5 different states, including Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Maharashtra, and also on the homes of the promoters of Dainik Bhaskar group in Bhopal.
हमारी पत्रकारिता से क्यों डर रही है सरकार? मैं स्वतंत्र हूं क्योंकि मैं भास्कर हूं। भास्कर में चलेगी पाठकों की मर्जी।
In its tweets, Dainik Bhaskar said their reporting will be undeterred, a reference to the Bhaskar group's hard-hitting reports on the devastation of the second COVID wave, notable for their coverage of dead bodies washing up on the shores of the Ganga. The New York Times a month ago had published Dainik Bhaskar editor Om God's piece on COVID deaths in India titled "The Ganges is Returning the Dead. It Does Not Lie."
आप जानते होंगे कि न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स तथ्यों के साथ क्या करता है, और भास्कर में भी यह परंपरा है कि अगर कोई रिपोर्टर खबर लाता है तो उस रिपोर्टर की खबर को क्रॉस चेक करने का एक प्रॉपर सिस्टम है। उस सिस्टम के बगैर खबर आगे चल ही नहीं सकती, खबर पेज पे आ ही नहीं सकती।
Bhaskar was one of the few Hindi papers to front page reports on the recent Pegasus snooping scandal.
अभी नहीं करेंगे, नहीं चल तो रहा है ऑलरेडी।
In Lucknow, income tax raids at the office of news channel Bharat Samachar and the residence of its editor-in-chief Brajesh Mishra. Bharat Samachar's recent reporting has been critical of the UP government.
A few policemen are present at the spot and there is a 6 to 7 member team of the income tax department that is inside. Sources say what they are doing is that they are examining taxation papers that they feel or they know are kept here. They say that there is, quote unquote, according to them, conclusive evidence that there has been some kind of fraud. The editor-in-chief, Brajesh Mishra, has also given a statement to say that we are being targeted because we have been critical of the incumbent government's handling of the COVID crisis, etc.
The raids drew sharp criticism from opposition parties. The Information and Broadcasting Minister, however, said the law is taking its own course.
लेकिन मैं इतना ही कहूंगा, एजेंसीज अपना काम करती हैं, उस पे हमारा कोई दखलंदाजी नहीं होती।
Sources in the Income Tax Department have told NDTV that the day-long searches at the premises of Dainik Bhaskar Group have led to the unearthing of evidence allegedly showing tax evasion worth hundreds of crores and also round-tipping of funds and related party transactions. Sources also say with the names of the promoters figuring in the Panama Papers, the agency is also contemplating to initiate proceedings under Black Money Act. With Alok Pandey, Anurag Diwari and camera person Ashok Mahale, this is Arvind Gunasekar for NDTV.